Renu put together a portfolio for my specific house just based on an estimate from a satellite image of our house, what our exposure would be on the roof. So he was able to sort of predict what our production would be based on that. So that's kind of a rough number, but it was pretty accurate to begin with. And he's showed me what my monthly bill would end up looking like. From there, he went into all of the details of the solar panel itself, which was really good for me to understand. Being in engineering, I like to get down into those details and understand exactly what I'm getting. He showed me some options for different solar panels with different efficiencies and different costs. And from there, we together decided which was the best installation for us. I was able to handle the cost side of that, but I had no real feel for what it was going to look like. And that's where Renu was very helpful. I was able to be part of the design team and see what was going on and all of the design proposals and the layouts that were available. And there were quite a number of different variations of layouts. And as a team, we were able to come up with what was going to look the best on the roof. And we saw just basically a layout of the area that was going to be covered. And then as it progressed further and further, it was becoming more and more realistic. The more documents I saw, the more pictures I saw, it became almost as if it was there. And then once installation happened, it was exactly how we had planned it. And everything lined up very nicely. So installation day was a day I'd been waiting for a long time, ever since I started looking at solar. And I was really excited, couldn't sleep the night before. I was waiting for it. And so the guys showed up early in the morning, because obviously you're going to be working on a roof, you want to get started as early as possible. And as it was going up, I tried not to interfere too much, but I would sneak out and take a peek and see what was happening. And as I saw it was going up, and the first few panels went up there, I could see it was going to be perfect. Everything was lining up just absolutely perfect. And there was a lot of attention paid to making sure that the actual installation matched what we had all planned on.